Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file W-4 single using the easy method. First, understand that the W-4 form is crucial for telling your employer how much federal income tax to withhold from each paycheck. Getting this right helps you avoid owing a lot of tax or getting a huge refund at the end of the year. This simple approach is perfect for individuals who are single, have just one job and no dependents. Let's start with step 1, which covers your personal information. You'll need to accurately fill in your full name, current address, and your social security number. It's very important to check the box in step 1C that says single or married filing separately. This selection correctly identifies your tax filing status for your employer, ensuring proper initial setup. For the easy method, you'll typically skip steps 2 and 3. If you only have one job and no other significant income sources, you can leave step 2 blank. Similarly, if you do not have any qualifying children or other dependents, you will also skip step 3. This simplifies the process considerably, as these sections are for more complex tax situations. Finally, we move to steps 4 and 5. Step 4 is optional. You can use 4A to account for other income not from jobs or 4B for additional deductions if you itemize. If you want extra withholding, use 4C. The most critical part is step 5. You must sign and date the form. Without your signature, the W-4 is not valid, so remember to complete this before giving it to your employer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.